All you need is wilderness. Pretty cool. So we're going to sign the book. And hopefully there's a pen in here. A lot of runoff. I think I'm just going to cross through the water. It looks to be only about 6 inches deep. I think I'm carrying enough weight, it won't be that bad. Looks like you normally go across that log, but it's cascading over that, and it's wet wood. You don't want to do that. You know, you'll end up slipping and falling. I like this trail. At least right here anyway, nice and smooth. It's going to go up. This trail eventually goes up about 1,800 feet to Amethyst Lake. So enjoy these flats while I've got them. All right, we're 1.2 miles, almost 1.25, about 8,900 feet, and we're starting to see some vertical. Coming up to the trail intersection, which is good. Now I know where I'm at. At least I hope it's a trail intersection. Or it's the beginning of the wilderness area. So, gotta go a little bit further to the trail intersection. See what it says. Barely read it. Shoe Lake, Ryder Lake, Amethyst Lake. So those lakes are this way on this trail, and Amethyst is this way, which is the way we're going. We're definitely on the uphill side of things. I just want to break through the wood line. You can see the Oster Creek here. We're up on the higher portion of it. You can see all the snow. I went from doing 2.25 miles per hour to maybe 1. It was pretty steep. A lot of gaining. I would say I have gained, I don't know, I don't think I've gained 1,000 yet, but I'm close. 750, 800, something like that. 3.62. So yeah, 0.4 of a mile will be at the 4 mile mark. Hopefully that's up at Oster Lake, I'm hoping. So wish me luck. I think I made it to the meadow. Oster Lake should be somewhere that direction where I'm going to camp. I came from that way. Like water coming down the trail. I'm around, I don't know, 9,500, not quite 10,000 feet. I'm in a wilderness area camping. Now the problem is I was heading to a place called Amethyst Lake, a big lake over this way, but unfortunately, as you can see, there's a lot of snow. So I ran into it and can't find the trail. And let me tell you, to be able to find the trail in this place is a route finding problem. But you know, you're 2 or 3 feet off the ground in the snow, so see a little bit of trail, you look for the hacks on the trees, and it just makes it miserable to be able to find them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to camp in this spot, at least for the night. It's almost 7 o'clock local time, which really isn't that late. Seeing how the sun's not supposed to go down till 9, but we're in the mountains. And take a look at this. It's 55 degrees. Earlier, it was about 90 degrees. So it's dropped that much in just a couple hours. The sun went behind some clouds, and it's gotten a little lower, and that's how cold it is. So it's probably going to get even colder. Spent one night, was planning on 2, but the trail, it's too snowed over. It's too hard to find. It's a route finding problem. You know, when you've got feet and feet of snow, you know, I'm looking for the notches on the trees. It's just too difficult. So I'm going to spend, well, I spent the one night here. I'm going to head back down.